Hello, my name is Navya Yadav. My father name is Sanjay Kumar Yadav. My school name is LFS Rapti Nagar Chargaon, Phase 4. My address is Amantan Apartment, Mayur Bihar Colony near Shivam Garden. I am taking tuition from Rocky Home Institute for 3 months.
Tell me, eligibility of criteria of the governor.
He or she should be an Indian citizenship. He or she should be a post of office in profit or loss.
Okay. President का क्या eligibility criteria होता है?
He or she should be an Indian citizenship. He or she should not be in the post office of profit or loss.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो जज होते हैं उनका क्या एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया होता है?
He or she should be an Indian citizenship. He or she should be eminent justice in the president opinion. He or she should be an advocate for high court at least for 10 years. He or she should be an high court judge for at least 5 years.
Okay. Tell me the eligibility criteria of the high court judge.
He or she should be an Indian citizenship. He or she should be an advocate of civil court or more than subordinate court. He or she should be not in the post of office or office of profit and loss.
Okay. Who is the first woman speaker of parliament?
Miran Kumar.
Very good. What are the power of the president?
The power of president are military power, executive power, assembly power, legislative power.
Tell me the full form of the IPS.
Indian Police Service.
UPSC का full form.
Union Public Service Commission.
IFS का full form.
Indian Foreigner Service.
Okay. Who is the current Prime Minister of India?
Current Prime Minister of
Yeah.
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Okay. President?
Current
Yeah.
Draupadi Murmu.
Okay. Who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh?
Pratibha Patil.
पंचायत क्या होता है? What is a पंचायत?
At a village level, when 2 or 3 people make a group and discuss about any discussion, it is known as panchayat board.
Tell me something about the municipality.
Municipality.
Okay. What is valency?
The combining capacity of element with other element is known as its valency.
HCl का full form.
Hydrochloric acid.
H2SO4. क्या full form?
Sulfuric acid.
NH4NO3.
Ammonium nitrate.
Fe2O.
Fe2O. Iron oxide. Iron third oxide.
CaSO4.
CaSO4. Calcium sulfate.
ओके. न्यूट्रॉन का सिंबल क्या होता है?
न्यूट्रॉन का कोई सिंबल नहीं होता.
इलेक्ट्रॉन का?
न्यूट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन तीनों का कोई सिंबल नहीं होता. उनका यूनिट होता है.
ओके. व्हाट इज एक्वेटिक सिस्टम?
व्हाट इज
इक्वेटिक सिस्टम क्या होता है?
इक्वेटिक सिस्टम नहीं होता. लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम होता है.
बताओ क्या होता है इक्वेटिक सिस्टम?
The system which contains lymph vessel, lymph and blood vessel is known as lymphatic system.
अच्छा, कर्ड का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है?
By the bacteria known as lactobacillus convert the lactic acid into the lactose. This lead to the formation of curd.
What is the double circulatory system?
When heart purifies the blood and the deoxygenated blood passes through the veins, and the deoxygenated passes through the vein and oxygenated blood passes through the artery, and against this process takes place is known as double circulation.
ओके. अभी पहले जो पढ़ रहे थे और 3 मंथ से आप जो पढ़ रहे हो रॉकी होम क्लासेस एंड ट्यूशन, क्या फ़र्क है?
दोनों में सेम ही है.
सेम ही?
हाँ.
ठीक. जियोग्राफी में बताओगे डिजास्टर क्या होता है?
disaster, any termonic or tragedy which happens natural or by man-made.
What is a chemical disaster?
Chemical disaster in which any equipment which faultily disrupt or anything causes by a chemical process is known as chemical disaster.
न्यूक्लियर डिजास्टर क्या होता है?
Nuclear disaster which is formed by nuclear power weapon.
अच्छा, रिवर बेसिन क्या होते हैं?
At a forest area when times ago a coral leaf submerged into the sea and it forms river is known as river basin.
अच्छा, ईस्टर्न घाट वेस्टर्न घाट क्या होता है?
ईस्टर्न घाट और वेस्टर्न घाट. वेस्टर्न घाट जो वेस्टर्न में लाई करता है, ईस्टर्न घाट जो
तो
ईस्ट में
ईस्टर्न
lie
घाट
करता
में कहाँ से कौन कौन से स्टेट को टच करता है?
है. ईस्ट में और वेस्ट, ईस्ट और वेस्ट में.
ईस्टर्न, हाँ.
ईस्टर्न में बे ऑफ बंगाल.
बे ऑफ बंगाल नहीं, स्टेट कौन कौन से?
स्टेट कौन से? ईस्ट साइड में.
स्टेट ईस्टर्न घाट में कौन कौन से स्टेट हैं?
वेस्ट साइड में मुंबई.
ईस्ट में पूछ रहा हूँ ना.
ईस्ट में.
इंडिया का मैप देखे हो ना?
हाँ.
तो ईस्ट साइड में बताओ कौन कौन से स्टेट हैं ईस्टर्न घाट पे?
ईस्टर्न घाट पे.
हाँ, जो बे ऑफ बंगाल से अटैच्ड है.
जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश, आसाम.
आसाम का है?
आसाम, गैंगटोक, आसाम.
बे ऑफ बंगाल से जो अटैच है उन स्टेट के नाम बताओ.
गैंगटोक.
स्टेट के नाम पूछ रहा हूँ. गैंगटोक कैपिटल है ना. प्रेशर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज प्रेशर?
Pressure is defined as the amount of force acting per unit.
व्हाट इज अ पास्कल लॉ?
Whenever a force is applied at any point on a confined liquid, it applies in all possible direction with undiminished magnitude.
एंटी क्लॉक और क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन क्या होते हैं?
When a force has the tendency to rotate or turn the body in an anti-clockwise movement is known as anti-clockwise direction. When a force has the tendency to turn or rotate the movement in clockwise is known as anti-clockwise direction.
फोकल लेंथ का मतलब क्या है?
Focal length. The straight line passes through the principal axis and the focal is known as focal length of the geometrical shape.
What do you mean by the principal axis?
Principal axis. The straight line passes through the center of the curvature and the pole is known as principal axis. It is denoted by capital PX.
Very good. Concave mirror और convex mirror क्या होता है?
Concave mirror in which the outer surface is reflective and the inner surface is polished is called concave mirror, and in convex mirror outer surface is polished and the inner surface is reflected is known as convex mirror.
Very good. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है?
दोनों
इनका यूजेस कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं रियल लाइफ में? एग्जांपल बताओ.
रियल लाइफ में कॉन्केव मिरर का यूज होता है शेविंग मिरर्स में, टेलीस्कोप में, और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का यूज होता है कार्स मिरर में, डेंटिस्ट जो मिरर यूज करता है उसमें.
बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है?
बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. The change of substance from its liquid state to its gaseous state at a constant temperature by absorbing heat energy is called boiling.
What do you mean by the evaporation?
The change of substance from a liquid state to its gaseous state at any point after absorbing the heat energy is called evaporation.
What do you mean by the law of reflection?
Law of refraction. For a given pair of media, the different density, the ratio of the sign of angle of incidence is the sign of angle of reflectance. is always constant. Sin I equals to sin r equals to constant.
What is the spectrum?
After a dispersal, a white light split into the 7 band of color which is known as vibro. These 7 color band which formed is known as spectrum.
ओके रेनबो कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं?
Rainbow is formed when dispersal in the sky is there. It is when the sun is invisible and the large amount of tiny drop when the large amount of tiny drop form a space of a prism, the sunlight passes through this tiny prism and the water drop undergoes the change and they form these 7 bands of color.
Can you give me example of the movement of the force and pressure?
Moment of force and pressure.
Yeah.
Pressure, knife,
Hmm.
knife, safety pin, drawing pins,
Hmm.
pressure or moment of
Force.
force. Moment of force का long spanner
Hmm.
और hand fluke rider.
बैरोमीटर क्या होता है?
Barometer is a device is used to measure the pressure exerted by a liquid.
ओके मोनोमीटर?
Manometer is a device which is used to record the atmospheric pressure. Your Earth to the surface of Earth is known as atmospheric pressure.
अच्छा लिक्विड प्रेशर क्या होता है?
Liquid pressure, it exerts the pressure on the walls of the container. It is directly proportional to its density. More the density, the higher is the pressure. Pressure exert liquid with the depth.
ऑटोमेटिक फायर अलार्म क्या होता है?
Automatic fire alarm is used as iron brass bimetallic strip. At the one end, A is tightly fixed onto the wooden board, and at the end of B is free to move upward or downward, and at the adjustable screw C, which is fixed to the board, which is located 1 millimeter above the strap of the board B. And in the case of fire, the expansion takes place, and when the end of the B and when the end of the B comes in the contact with expansion, it bends upward and touches the screw C, and the electric circuit completed and the bells start ringing.
अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करिए प्रोसेस को जो इवेपोरेशन होता है.
Evaporation.
इवेपोरेशन का क्या प्रोसेस का क्या criteria?
The change of substance from its liquid state to its gaseous state at any temperature is known as evaporation. In the molecules of liquid are constant motion, and they are less closely packed as compared to solid. When the energy is given to them, the kinetic energy try to escape from their surface, and when they get sufficient space to escape, they escape and form the vapor.
ओके वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया.